Hi, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to see the central and state as well as the private universities vacancies notification guys, and here the teaching as well as the non-teaching vacancies are there, and the candidates who are having the only PG and PG plus UG Senate and with PhD, here the opportunities are there, and the salary is up to 50,000 rupees per month, and more than this one also is available, and there is no application fee for these notifications and no exam also. The selection will be directly based upon the interview process, and please watch this video up to the end to get the detailed notifications, and share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and for more notifications subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. So before going into the main content of this video, here one announcement is that the candidates who are preparing for the UGC December 2020 cycle exam, so from April 7th onwards, the revision through the previous year questions for the paper 1 as well as the electronic science. Okay, so utilize this opportunity guys, and the details regarding this one I kept at the end of this video, and the links I kept in the description box of this video. Well, coming to the present content of the video, so first we will see the vacancy notification from the state university, that is Maharaja Ranjit Singh Punjab Technical University. So here from only one department, that is physics department, the walk-in interview is there. So an interview for the post of lecturer in physics on lecture basis will be held on 23rd April 2021 at 10:30 a.m. in the office of Dean, Professor and Head of Department of Physics, and all interested and eligible candidates should send the applications and resume to the undersigned at given email ID or carry in person along with the original certificates with 2 photocopy sets of the same at the time of interview. So the job is purely on the lecture basis and TADA will not be provided, and candidate must report at least 1 hour before the interview. And if you are having any queries regarding this one, here the contact numbers are also mentioned, here the HOD as well as the office, and the email ID is also mentioned. So please once confirm the date and whatever the queries you are having with this provided mail ID and the contact number. So it is a one notification. And coming to the second one, it is Central Institute guys, the National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology. So from this one actually few post vacancies are came. Of course these are also very less post from the additional chief executive officer and database administrator, software expert Java and software expert PHP, and each and every section is having one post, and here the consolidated remuneration is also mentioned, and the place of posting and duration is also mentioned here. So coming to the details regarding this one, okay, so here you will get the complete details guys. I will just show you the qualification whatever required. So for additional chief executive officer technical, the qualifications required are BE or BTech or MCA first division, B level of DOE ACC and MBA first division, and the duration and nature of post qualification work, minimum 12 years of experience in project management spread over e-governance domain and large IT projects. Okay, and coming to the next one, database administrator, BE or MC and Oracle certification is mandatory, and minimum 7 years in the Oracle. Okay, experience in replication, okay, it is mandatory. So here you please go through the experience also guys. So if you are having the essential qualification as well as the experience, then please try to apply. And coming to the software expert Java, BE or BTech or CSIT or MCA in first division, or else the B level of DOE ACC. So minimum 4 years in specifically in Java or J2EE, 10G Suite and Oracle. Okay, so in these fields if you are having experience minimum 4 years, then you may apply for this one. And coming to the software expert PHP Patiala, so BTech in CS or IT, MTech or MCA is required. Minimum 4 years of experience in the software development, especially in PHP or SQL Server. Right? So a few more domains knowledge are also given here. So please once check all these things. And if you are suitable, then only try to apply this. I will provide all the necessary links in the description box of this video. So please once find out. And the next, the third college is a Kriya University. So it is a private university guys. So in this one, few faculty positions are announced here. The subjects are biological sciences, chemistry, computer science, economics. So yeah, environmental studies and history, literature, mathematics, physics, politics, psychology and social studies. So from all these one, the vacancies are announced here, and you may check down here the preferred specializations also. So here the candidates must demonstrate an excellent academic record including at least a PhD or else its equivalent is required. So experience and passion for undergraduate teaching and mentioning a robust research agenda and keen interest in institution building. So if you're interested, you may send your cover letter introducing you and yourself, your interest in career, and full CV and short biodata, statement on teaching and statement on research trajectory, and sample writing, and reference letters minimum 3. Okay, so all these things you have to send to the provided mail ID here, facultyapplications@career.edu.in. Fine. So PhD or else equivalent qualification is there, then you may apply to this one, guys. Fine. So these are the details regarding these 3 notifications. So one is the private university, and the second one is the central institute, and next one is the state university, guys. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, subscribe the channel, and the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video, I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide